Hi guys, Dave here from DDR Customs again, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to look at the front end of the bobber and see what we can do with that. So let's get straight into it. Well, I've got the brake off, I've got the wheel out anyway. Okay. Right, let's got the wheel out. Now it's going to trim this, make this into a full circle, and that can go back in again. This is one of them projects where we're just going to use whatever bits we've got. The customer doesn't want to buy loads of stuff. I've got boxes of bits here, so we're just going to use all that. So let's go into the other workshop and we'll get this trimmed up. We're back here in the little workshop now, we're in the fab shop. So what I've done, I've marked a bit of a circle, so we're just going to trim that off on the bandsaw. Hopefully the blade will stay on for us today. Little bits just gone down the back of the blade. Got that done. Now I know I should have a guard on there, but the bloody blade keeps popping off, so I'm not bothering today. Obviously it hasn't done it, but right, so let's get it cut out. Now we've got rid of the the bit we didn't need. So now we'll just get it on the multi-sander and get that shaped up. Okay, so that's got it sanded nice and round. So we're back to where we want now. We've got a nice little spacer there. Oh, lost the camera for a minute. If you're into home fabbing, I've struggled for ages until I bought one of these, the multi-tool. I do my buffing on one end, and then you've got the belt sander attachment at the other end. And you know, these are, when I'm doing plasma cutting and stuff, they rip through material like really quick. And with all the different belts, you can make a really good job. So that just, yeah, that would have taken ages with a file. So if you're interested, I should have a look at one of those. I mean, I had to buy mine. I don't get anything given to me. So we'll go and get this on the bike. Let's have a look what we've got here. See how we get on. Going to clean some of these bits up. Have a bit of right, see if I can remember how it came off. Do 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 do. That one. See how we get on. Oh. Need to lift it up a bit. Okay. Sure what's occurred here. Right. Let me just see what's going on. Now that looks a lot neater. Let me get the camera and we can have another. As you can see now, that looks a lot tidier. This side, not perfect, I know, with that big spacer, but we've got to work with what you've got. That's the rule on this job. So that's the brake caliper in. So now what we'll do is find some bits to make a stay. So we'll do that next. Okay, so I've put my steady together using stainless steel rose joints and locking nuts and spindle. Of course, as per usual, when you're looking for a domed headed nut and bolt, you can never find it, so I'm going to have to order one. So I'm just going to go with a socket head on this at the minute. It's the usual thing, just never have enough. So that's the. So as I said, this was one of the easy jobs. Which makes a change for the build, doesn't it? Okay, well, when I get this right nuts and bolts, we'll finish that off properly. But at least the brake is now in and looks a lot better. Let me just come and give you a better. So that's just tidied this side up completely now. And when we get the right bolts, that'll be as good as gold, good to go. So let's trim that side, and then of course this side's a lot neater now. So really the bike's this front end for now is done. So until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.